Enchanting landscapes and innocent smiles woven in rich culture and traditions. Welcome to Goan villages. Unlike cities, the Indian villages have a rhythm of their own. The rural regions of a country displays its true identity. Maybe that's why they say the soul of a country lies in its countryside. We wish to welcome you to the simplicity of life. Walk away from your 9 to 5 jobs into the swaying paddy fields, grazing cattle, far flung mountains, charismatic festivals, time honored traditions, and above all, connect without Blackberries or Facebook with the warm local communities and their anecdotes. Explore the wilderness of sight and sound with a trip with us to rural Goa. A day in a villager's life begins even before the sunrise. By filling of water, sweeping, milking of cows, going to fields, and collecting firewood. How many times have we just visited a place, spent the majority of time shuttling between one point to the other in cars and never really stopped for a moment to absorb the culture of the destination? How many times have we been on a vacation, stayed in luxury hotels, ate in fine dining restaurants, partied hard, visited beaches, yet went back feeling empty without the fact that we had little interaction with the local people or known little about the place? Vacation is the time when our minds crave for a change, but this shouldn't come at the price of an authentic travel experience or at the price of a comfort and safety. Well, it shouldn't come at a price at all. Walk into our homestays, a home away from home with maybe a different decor but the same emotion. We extend the same hospitality to our guests which we extend to yours. A beautiful opportunity to form deeper connections with the people and places you visit. Sitting pretty in Western Ghats is the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary, dotted with wonderful waterfalls set against an incredible mountainous landscape. Native folks welcomes you to slide over natural water slides, sit under waterfalls, and experience the serenity and culture of a life in a small Goan village located right at the top of the sanctuary. Fresh fruits, vegetables find a way right into your plates. Just sit back and enjoy the traditional flavors of Goa.
Everything. It's a paradise for us. And Babur Pond is for people from geology is from the geological point of view, it's quite unusual because this oxygen is going all the time from the deep of 2,000 meters. Because this crack is 2,000 meters deep, and the water is coming from the 2,000 up, and with the oxygen. It's unusual.
Would you like to come to Goa again and how do you?
Yes, I like to be in Goa, that's why I'm here. I am spending every winter here, 3-4 months every winter.
Goa is known for its profusion of natural resources. Tourists come to Goa getting attracted to its natural beauty, and many of them fall in love with it forever. Budbud Tari, many names but one place. This magnificent place is situated in the tranquility of Goan village known as Netravali in Sangam district. This place is around 80 kilometers from Panjim via Margao and 50 kilometers. The name Budbud is derived from the constant bubble coming out from the bottom of lake. guys want to know why we call this as bubble lake, let me show you some magic.